Buzz, you can complete what we call a discussion thread. Here, you open the discussion and you'll read your instructions from your teacher. You can view posts from other members of the course. You could also reply to your peers by clicking the reply button, adding a comment. You could also add an attachment, and when you're ready, click post. If you don't want to reply and you want to create your own post, at the top of the page you'll click New Thread. On the new thread, you will make your post and then click Post. The difference between a post and a reply is the indentation. Those farthest to the left is your original post, and replies to peers are going to be indented. When you're ready, you can scroll to the bottom and click Next Activity. If we look at the table of contents, you'll see that once it's completed, you will receive a check mark.